Hey, what's up? How's it going? So I'm just gonna make a quick video on some little updates I've made to this guy. So I was working on button thickness or thinness as I have it in the settings. And what that means is if I adjust it, you'll see the buttons get slimmed down. But weirdly, the icons stay large. And you can toggle that on with this oversized icons button. So that'll make them fit nicer in there. Or if you want them larger, I kind of like it this way. They pop out. It looks like like a physical file system or something. So that's kind of neat. Other stuff that I've been working on. So if the paint on screen feature, this is I, I don't know, maybe I just keep it so the guy has a mouth, but that's neither, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so you can use this to scribble on the screen. So you're making a video and you want to be like, hey, look over here, look at this thing. This is a way you could do that. You can also black out the background, whoops, or white out, whichever you like, and draw something on it. If you think visually, if you want to just sort of doodle. It's all possible now. The world is your oyster. So, all right, so that's going on. What else? We got these notes that I've been tweaking a little bit. So now you can resize them really easily. You can toggle the visibility if you poke the guy in the eye. You can also minimize them. One thing to note is if you're making an app that has little windows like this, you don't want to make them invisible when you minimize them. Like there's a visibility setting, and you don't want to toggle that because that will make Windows, the operating system, forget that that window is open, and that's no good. Um, so what you actually want to do is just send it way off the screen, just reposition it out of view. Um, I still need to add a save system to this. I'm trying to plan out how I want to do that because though I'm typically working alone, if you're working in a group, you might want to set it up where, only certain people have accessibility to the notes, or only, you're the only one who can write to your notes. Other people might be able to read them, or I don't know. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do that in a way that doesn't make it broken. So, anyway, so there's that. The other thing, and this was something that was pointed out in a comment by circa 1337, and well, they compared it to, I guess there's a game launcher, a universal game launcher that works with Steam and GOG and all those guys. And I realized that you can also use this to launch games. So if you add a game and then you say, I don't know, I've got to see what I got. I got a Steam game. I'm gonna do this one. Let's browse the local files. What you want to do is find the exe and then um, go over here, stick a name in there, and then just leave the file path blank, drag the game into the editor file path, just disregard all that stuff, add it, and then when I double click on it, uh, it'll it'll launch up that game. So you can do that. Anyway, that's some stuff you can do now. So yeah, I hope this is I don't know, of interest, useful to somebody somewhere somehow. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.